just look at these beautiful little slider rolls. If you want to know how to make these, follow this recipe. Self-raising flour, B-well creamy gourmet mayonnaise, and a bit of cold milk. So we're just going to combine the mayo with the milk, add it straight into the self-raising flour. A bit of salt and pepper. Let's give it a light spray. And we're just going to use an ice cream scoop to do small little rolls. You can just do little dollops into the air fryer. We're going to do a very quick little fresh pickle, white vinegar, just a bit of sugar. Just a touch of salt and pepper, beautiful little slices straight into the pickling liquid. Some red onion, this is with vinegar flavor. To me, a burger needs to be almost just meat. So a bit of salt and pepper added to that just to add flavor. So parsley goes straight in. You're just gonna squash them flat with your hands. We're gonna use some of this B-well Canola Oil, very high in omega-3 fatty acids, great for brain development and also the prevention of heart diseases. Have a look at our little rolls, nice and dark, light brown color on the top. So now I'm just going to scoop a little bit of this B-well tangy mayo straight on top of the base. Cucumbers. There we go. One bite deliciousness.